Hey up, I'm Nott'm last, and today we are on our first walk of 2024, and guess what? We're doing geocaching. There's 15 geocaches on this route we're going to do today. I'll post the route in the description box, but anyway, I think the first one is somewhere here. Let's have a find. This rock looks quite suspicious, I've just seen this straight away. So let's see if the cache is under here. Here we go. First cache of 2024, here it is. Let's sign this logbook and move on to the next one. Very, very wet this one is. All this rain we've had, the roads have been so bad. The date is 1st, 24, the Nott'm lass. Well happy with that. Great news. Put the cache back. First cache 2024 completed. Very exciting. So the next cache is 210 metres away. Let's go find it. The hint for this next one is base of post. Okay, so there's two posts here at this section. So we're looking at this one first. So let's go over and see if we can find this next geocache. Now apparently it's on the base of the post, and sorry, these are quite easy, aren't they? Oh, there it is. Okay, so here's the next one. Number 2 complete. Yay. Let's open it up. And there it is. Second geocache of the day. Just to let you all know, we're in the Peak District today, obviously. Very beautiful here today. Yeah, here we go. Oh, there's no paper left on this one. I can't write on this one. Oh, I can. There's a nice little ledge here for me to write on. There we go. So this route is all about the countryside. It's called Picture This, I think I'm right. And every geocache, you take in the views, the surrounding views around us, and it really is beautiful, especially today. It's so fresh and there's blue sky everywhere. If you've not heard of geocache before, geocaching is basically a massive global treasure hunt. There's over 3 million caches to find worldwide. Download the Geocaching app. You can get it on iOS or Google Play Store. Go and have a look. There's a free version, there's lots on the free version, and then there are even more on the premium version. So go and check it out and join in on the fun. So the next geocache is 168 metres away, and the hint again is of base of post. Let's try and find it.
So what I'm enjoying about this particular geocache route is that it's a great introduction to geocaching. It's a short walk round, about 2.5 miles on a nice track. It's a bit muddy today, but then it has been raining a lot. And the geocaches are quite easy to find. They're not difficult, okay? And I'm kind of getting into the mindset of the geocacher at the moment, the lady that's hidden them on this Picture This one. And I think I know where it is, judging by where she hid the first two. And could it be, because of all her other two are like this, underneath the rock? And yes it is, in an old 35mm photo canister. There we go, here's the cache. Dun dun dun. Okay, it's okay. And there's the tiniest little piece of paper. Often these logbooks are tiny little things, and they're often a little bit wet, which is this one is. This is very wet, and I don't think I'm going to be able to sign it because it is very, very wet. Soaking. So it's 010124, and it's the Nott'm lass.
And just put started fresh.
Yeah, Nott'm lass. Started afresh. Started fresh log. Yep. There you go.
So I've been geocaching since I can remember. Back in school, I think, we went around our neighbourhood trying to find some. But anyway, the Nott'm lass geocache account that I've had for a few years now, I've just reached a milestone of 100 geocaches, and it's told me to go and search for more. So let's keep going. I've just seen on Facebook that someone's done a geocache every day for a year. That's commitment. Wish I could be like that. Let's go. So the hint for this one, Deb, is under a stone.
Under a stone, come on.
Oh, it's quite a lot.
geocache.
Quite a lot of stones here, aren't there?
Here's a stone.
Go on then, you have a little go. Or shall I do it? You do it.
And there could be these stones. Oh my god!
I'm so excited.
You can open this.
Yeah. Great.
I'll get the pen out.
Get the pen. Oh, God, it's like a little... Actually, so dirty. We need tweezers, Debbie.
I've got the tweezers. Hang on, chaps.
Tweezers at the ready. It's like a cache within a cache. This one is. That's not going to go in there, is it?
Nope.
There we go. So here we are at number 6. The views are amazing, and let's have a look for this geocache. Oh, here it is. I think. Ooh. Found it. Here we have the 6th geocache.
Canister
She was nice though.
within a canister. Diddly diddly do. And then you always put it back for the next person. You don't just fling it. You've got to put it back. That's part of the game.
And you've got to sign it to actually get the cache.
Yeah, I've signed it. It's not officially found until you actually sign the logbook, and then you can put it on the app that you've actually found it. Yeah? The next person. There you go. Put that there. The rock in front.
So we're on to number 8 right now, and it's 212 metres away, and the hint is BOT, which means base of tree. So here we are at the tree, and the hint is base of tree. Here we go. Here's the geocache, guys. Let's sign it. We are at number 9 on the route, and the hint is base of post. Ooh, this has got things in it. This is exciting, guys. Let's have a look what's inside. Ooh. Bits and bobs, all sorts of stuff. Oh, who's that? Dennis?
Oh, look.
Oh, it's a remembrance thing for him. He's a geocacher. Isn't that sweet? Let's sign his cache. Okay, so the next one here, base of gatepost. Guessing it's somewhere around here. Oh God. Nope. Is it down here? Oh, wait a sec. Cheeky! Carrot in the cache.
So what we've found is that some of the logbooks have kind of gone a bit damp and deteriorated, and I do believe that it's up to the person who places the geocache to actually go around and sort of check that they're okay, whether little bits need updating, like new bits of logbook, that sort of thing. because they do deteriorate, you know, in this bad weather, even if they are in little canisters.
Okay, so we are off to number 12.
About 4 foot, that's about just over a metre up the tree. Please make sure secure when leaving. Okay, so it's going to be like lodged in.
Go on then.
Okay, cool. 4 foot, so just over a metre. I know that the person who's done these geocaches is old, because nobody over the age of 30 knows what feet and inches are.
Interesting.
I know, they're all metres, it's all metric. Found it! I'm not even going to get that out of the canister to try and sign.
Oh my god.
What is that?
That needs replacing. You can't sign that. Got it! Oh, there it is. There's the cache. There it is. Got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh.
So we're 25 metres away from the last cache, and it's under a rock. Lots of rocks here. Not that one. Not that one. There's a rock in here though. There it is, guys. Last cache. It's got snails on it. Great. So just actually checked, there's actually one more cache to find. So there's 16 on this route. Let's go find it.
Right, that I'm not I've ever seen in my life.
What's in there? Oh my god.
Big logbook.
So before finding my last cache, Stacey fell over on a muddy bit of concrete. It's not good at all. It's like all slow motion, and then that was it, she was on the ground. But anyway, yeah, we finished our route right now and we're just heading back to the car. If you want to go and download Geocache for free, click the QR code here, or the links in the description box, whatever you prefer. And yeah, there's also an AllTrails route in the description box as well. So go and have a look at this route we've done today. Really nice. Unfortunately, the blue sky is gone. Getting a bit cold now. But yeah, if you want to see more videos, then make sure to go and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. And a massive Happy New Year to you all. Bye.